Wave. I'm not saying.
That kid's got no.
There goes one. I'm not saying it's wet out there, but God, look at all the water out the front. Here we go, here we go. You ready? Are you ready? Look at the water coming up. Whoa! Look at the water coming up. Look at the water coming up. Oh my God, look at it. We're surfing. Yeah. Oh my God.
I hate to be walking there. Mum,
Here we go, here we go, here we go. You ready?
Whoa. Mum, please take this.
Here we go. Oh my God, look how flooded it is.
Are you ready? Mum, film out the window.
Are you ready? Look at how flooded it is here. Oh my God.
You are sprinkle on your dog.
Oh, look how flooded it is there.
Watering the grass.
Oh, it's slowing down.
No, go fast.
Look how flooded it is.
I know.
That's, look. Oh my God, you can't pick it up. It is absolutely flooded.
We're bold.
I gotta go sit up the front.
Okay, off you go. Let's all go.
No, 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 no. Just stay there. Just stay there. Oh, you can't see. Wow. Look how flooded it is. That's flash flooding to its best. Sit down, please.
I don't think anyone's going to be touching the bus unless they're trying to get home.
I'm surprised the bus is still going through it. Wow.
Oh wow, over there.
Yeah. Look at that. I've not seen flash flooding like this in this area.